I didn't believe AI could actually save homeschooling parents hours every week until I discovered simple prompts that create custom lessons, activities, and assessments in minutes. Stick around, I'll show you exactly how. What if AI could be your co-teacher, your admin assistant, and your creative partner, so you get time back and your kids actually learn more? Picture this: before, you at the kitchen table at 8 p.m., piecing together tomorrow's math lesson, half asleep, coffee cold. After, you type one clear prompt, hit enter, and a tailored 45-minute lesson appears, materials ready to print, and a hands-on activity queued. Big difference, right? In the next 10 minutes, you will get the practical stuff. I will show you how to plan a lesson in minutes, personalize learning for one kid or a dozen, turn AI ideas into worksheets and short videos, track progress, and keep your schedule sane. You will walk away with 5 beginner-friendly ways to use AI in homeschooling and 3 ready-to-copy prompts you can use today. We will cover lesson planning, differentiation, making materials, assessments, and schedules. By the end, you will have concrete next steps, not vague ideas. Here is the promise. You will save time, reduce stress, and make lessons better without needing to learn code or buy expensive software. All you need are clear prompts and common free or low-cost apps like Google Docs, Canva, and a chat-based AI. Think of AI like a helpful sidekick that drafts the plan while you focus on the teaching moments only a parent can give. This is not just hype. As Andrew Ng put it, AI is transforming how work gets done, and big picture numbers show this matters. For context, PwC estimated that AI could add up to about $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. What that means for us is tools that were once out of reach are now available to parents and small families, and those tools can handle a lot of the busy work. Create a 45-minute science lesson for a 5th grader about ecosystems with a hands-on activity, a short video link, and 2 assessment questions. You do not need fancy tech skills. You do not need to be a teacher by trade. You just need to tell the tool what grade, subject, time, and outcome you want. The single biggest time saver for homeschool parents is planning lessons with AI, plain and simple. If you can write one clear prompt, you can have a full 30 to 60-minute lesson ready in minutes, not hours. That means less stress and more time for the things that matter. During the pandemic, homeschooling jumped dramatically. According to the U.S. Census Bureau Household Pulse Survey in 2020, the share of households reporting homeschooling rose from roughly 3.3% pre-pandemic to about 11%. Here's a simple workflow you can use right now. Step 1, give the AI a clear prompt. Create a 45-minute science lesson for a 5th grader about ecosystems with a 10-minute warm-up, a 20-minute hands-on activity, a 10-minute video link, and 2 assessment questions. Include materials, learning objectives, timing, and 1 accommodation for a student who needs visuals. Hit enter. That single prompt will give you a structured plan with objectives, materials, steps, and assessment. Step 2, refine. If the output is too advanced, ask the AI to simplify language, add visuals, or break instructions into numbered steps. For example, paste the lesson back in and say, make the language simpler for a 5th grader who benefits from pictures. Add a printable worksheet idea and a 5-minute extension activity. That gets you a second version in under a minute. Step 3, save and edit. Copy the AI output into Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Create a folder called Lesson Plans and save a master copy and a printable copy. If you want a worksheet, tell the AI, create a 1-page printable worksheet with 3 multiple choice and 2 short answer questions and an answer key. Paste that into a Canva worksheet template, swap an image, export as a PDF, done. A quick tip on standards mapping. If you need to align to state standards, add this line to your prompt. Map this lesson to the Common Core Standard 4 on F2. The AI will provide a suggested mapping, but always double check for accuracy. Try this mini challenge now. Pause the video, open a chat, and type your grade and subject with the basic prompt I just said. Come back in 30 seconds and tell me how it went. If the AI gave you a messy first draft, that is totally normal. The magic is in refining it with targeted follow-ups. Remember to keep an eye on accuracy and cultural fit. AI helps create structure quickly, but you are the teacher and the final editor. Use AI to cut the grunt work, then personalize the lesson so it feels like your own. Here are some additional sample prompts you could use. Create a 45-minute elementary lesson on fractions for fourth graders with a warm-up, main hands-on activity, assessment with 3 questions, materials list, and a 10-minute extension. Or try this prompt. Now, make that fractions lesson simpler for a student who needs more visuals and add 2 printable worksheet ideas. Try them and comment below what prompt worked for you. Let us personalize the learning. You have different ages, different speeds, different learning styles, and one lesson does not fit everyone. That is where AI becomes your easiest shortcut. Think of it like having a co-teacher who can rewrite the same lesson 3 times in different voices and do it in seconds. Why bother? 2 reasons. 1, kids stay engaged when the work matches them. 2, you save time because you are not making 3 separate plans from scratch. As Carol Ann Tomlinson has said, differentiation is a way of thinking about teaching and learning, not a set of strategies. Use that mindset, and AI becomes the thinking partner that turns the mindset into actual lessons. Here is a practical demo prompt you can copy and paste. Try this with your AI of choice. Say, build me 3rd grade reading lesson on the topic of main idea and create. 1, a 10-minute remedial version with pictures and a simple guided read aloud. 2, a standard 30-minute version with partner activity and 3 comprehension questions. 3, an enrichment version with a short research mini project and extension questions. That single prompt gives you 3 concrete lesson versions in 1 fast reply. Now let us talk scaffolds and pacing. If a child gets stuck, do not give the full answer. Ask AI to produce a 3-step hint ladder along with your lesson plan to assist the child in developing their thought. For example, prompt: provide 3 hints for question X, each hint more revealing than the last, and a 1-sentence strategy to try before asking for the next hint. Then, when your learner is stuck, read hint 1. If they still struggle, offer hint 2, and so on. That keeps independence while preventing frustration. Adapting for learning styles is simple. Need a visual version? Ask for a picture-supported worksheet and a graphic organizer. Okay, now for the fun part, turning that lesson plan into actual stuff your kids can use. The best news? You can do almost all of it right inside the same AI chat you're already using. No graphic design degree required, I promise. Start with a worksheet. Just ask your AI something like this. Create a clean, printable 5-question worksheet on photosynthesis for 6th grade. Include 3 multiple choice questions, 2 short answer questions, and put the answer key at the very end. Format it nicely with plenty of space for writing and make it black and white friendly so it saves ink. Most AIs will give you a beautifully formatted block of text you can copy straight into Google Docs, paste into a simple template, or even ask the AI to refine until it looks perfect. Then just print it. Done in minutes. For a quick visual or poster, stay in the chat and say, summarize photosynthesis in 1 friendly sentence for a 6th grader, then describe 2 simple icons or images that would help explain it. If your AI can generate images, like ChatGPT with DALL-E, Gemini, or Grok, imagine if you're on a paid plan, you can even say, now generate a simple, colorful image of those icons. Or create a clean educational poster with this summary and the icons. You'll get something ready to download and print or drop into your lesson. And for a short explainer video, ask the AI for a quick script first. Write a warm 60-second script explaining the photosynthesis activity. Include a friendly intro, 2 easy steps, and a quick wrap-up that a mom could read naturally. You can read it yourself on your phone, super easy and personal. Use a free text-to-speech tool if you want, or even ask newer AIs to help suggest voiceover ideas. Record a quick clip of the experiment with your phone, add the script, and you're set. No big editing apps needed unless you feel like playing. Try this mini win right now. Pick your next topic and ask your AI for a worksheet plus a 60-second script. See how fast it feels. Start by asking your AI to create the quiz. You can say something like this. Create 10 mixed questions on basic fractions for a 4th grader. Include 6 multiple choice questions and 4 short answer questions. Give me the correct answers, and a simple 3-point rubric for the short answers. Once you have the questions, copy the multiple choice ones into Google Forms, turn on quiz mode, and let it auto-grade those for you. It takes just a couple of minutes and already saves you so much time. For the short answer questions, go back to your AI and ask it to turn that rubric into friendly feedback lines you can actually use. Next, let Google Forms automatically send all the answers into a Google Sheet. From there, it's easy to see the big picture. You can quickly add simple color coding, so anything below 70% pops up in red, and even a little note column that says needs support or on track. Now that we've got lessons, materials, and quick checks covered, let's turn all that planning into a routine that runs smoothly, all without eating up your evenings. Paperwork and scheduling are where so many hours quietly disappear for homeschool families. But here's the good news. Spend just 10 minutes up front with AI, and you can get your whole week feeling calm and organized. One of my favorite ways to start is by building a simple weekly schedule. Just go to your favorite AI and say something like, create a 4-day weekly homeschool schedule for my kids ages 8 and 12. Mix in math, reading, science, art, outdoor time, and breaks. Put the core subjects in the morning, hands-on, or outdoor activities after lunch, and one rotating elective each day. Include suggested times, a 30-minute buffer, and quick prep notes for me. You'll get a clean block schedule you can drop straight into Google Calendar. If you want it printed for the fridge, just ask the tool to turn it into a simple PDF. Once you have that schedule, let the tool handle the shopping stress too. Paste the schedule back in and say, from this weekly schedule, create a printable supply list grouped by store sections with quantities and low-cost alternatives. Then mark anything that we can reuse between lessons. You'll get a tidy checklist, broken down by things like groceries, craft supplies, or school items. Now that we've finished assessment and admin, let us pull everything together and make a simple plan you can use this week. You now know how to plan lessons fast, personalize learning, make worksheets and videos, assess progress, and keep the calendar from turning into chaos. The question is this: what do you try first? Here's a tiny promise. Do these 3 starter actions this week, and you will get time back, reduce stress, and see one real learning win. Step 1, pick a single lesson to accelerate tomorrow. Use this prompt exactly. Create a 45-minute math lesson for an advanced 5th grader on fractions, with a warm-up, a hands-on activity, and 3 quick assessment questions. Step 2, make one printable material, like a worksheet or visual, and export it from Canva. Step 3, run one quick quiz and log the results in a simple sheet. That is it. 3 small wins. 2 quick safety notes before you hit go. First, protect student privacy. Avoid pasting full names, birth dates, or medical info into public AI tools. Use initials or anonymized data, and read privacy policies for any service you use. Second, always review AI outputs for accuracy and age appropriateness. These tools are a helpful sidekick, not the teacher of record. Over this series, we moved from quick lesson planning through personalization, materials creation, assessment, and administration. You learned specific prompts and workflows you can use with free or affordable tools, plus safety and quality checks, so AI helps without creating new headaches. This final plan gives you practical next steps for 1 week, privacy tips you can use today, and a short view of how AI will keep evolving in homeschool spaces. The goal was simple: make AI useful and manageable for busy families. Try one small thing, measure what works, and iterate. If this helped you make sense of where AI is actually going, do 2 things. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode, and drop your questions in the comments. We'll see you next time.